You've probably heard Billie Eilish's song about it, but what actually is the Southern Cross? It's a small group of 4 stars in a particular part of the sky, but that's not very special. There are lots of groups of 4 stars, so why do so many people know this one? It's because, for centuries, sailors used this specific group of stars to help find their way across the southern hemisphere. And since most of us don't spend much time thinking about constellations other than the ones we use for navigation, it's easy to forget that there are actually 88 officially recognized constellations in our night sky. That's right, there are almost 10 times more constellations than the 12 we commonly learn about as kids. The International Astronomical Union standardized this number back in 1922. They divided the entire celestial sphere into these distinct star patterns. Before this, different cultures recognized hundreds of different constellations, which made it really hard for astronomers to talk to each other. Imagine if someone asked you for directions and you said, "Go about 3 Orions up and 1 Taurus to the right." You'd have no idea what they were talking about. The IAU's list of 88 constellations solved this problem. It gave everyone a common reference for talking about specific parts of the sky, and those 12 constellations that everyone knows, like Leo the Lion and Virgo the Virgin, are just the zodiac constellations that the sun appears to move through during the year. But you're missing out on 76 other incredible star patterns with amazing stories and practical uses for navigation. Here are a few of my favorites. Draco the dragon wraps itself around the North Star, the end of the handle of the Little Dipper. Follow the curve of the dragon's tail for a little more than an hour and a half of sky time, and you'll find yourself right back where you started. Cygnus the Swan contains one of the most massive black holes we know about. This black hole is so heavy that if you were to replace the sun with it, its gravity would pull Earth all the way to the center of the Milky Way. Crux, the Southern Cross, is one of the easiest constellations to recognize once you know where to look. Since its 4 bright stars form a distinctive cross shape, when I was in the army, we used this constellation to help us navigate the southern hemisphere. The northern hemisphere can see about 60 constellations throughout the year, while the southern hemisphere gets a completely different set of star patterns. This means that people in Australia see constellations that someone in Canada will never see naturally. For example, you can see the Magellanic Clouds from the southern hemisphere, which are 2 small galaxies that are close neighbors to the Milky Way. What's truly mind-blowing is that these 88 puzzle pieces fit together perfectly to cover every single spot in the sky. There's no empty space between them. It's like the ultimate cosmic jigsaw puzzle where every star belongs to exactly one constellation. The largest constellation is Hydra the water snake, which stretches across over 1,300 square degrees of sky. The smallest is Crux at just 68 square degrees. Learning all 88 constellations transforms you from a casual stargazer into someone who can read the night sky like a detailed map of our cosmic neighborhood. I highly recommend checking out some resources to help you get started. The night sky is full of wonders, and I want everyone to be able to appreciate the beauty of our universe.